There you go.
Oh!
Look how far you hit that. You supposed to be using 2 clubs? That's your golf bag. That's your golf bag. Oh yeah, thank you. Thanks. Yeah. Not sure what I'm gonna do with it, but I'll just put.
Be your caddy.
Yeah, I'll be your caddy. Yep. Tiger Woods had to get a new caddy. So did CT. Where are you going? There's no golf balls down there. Watch out! Hey, you're gonna fall and wipe out in some sort of prickly stuff. Think you're so funny, huh? It's just freedom. Oh, some more golfing? Alright.
Atta boy. Atta boy, hit the ball.
2
Atta
hands.
boy.
2 hands.
Yay, Christian. Yay.
That's your driver. Supposed to go far with that. Alright, you gonna do some putting? Alright. Get some water?